There is one more command which you have to be aware of is the check tearing event. So this command is related to the counters, and here the word tearing means, assume that while the tag is updating the counter value, okay, the user has taken out the card. So that is called as tearing an operation. So whenever this thing happens, the next time when you use this tag, you can find out by calling this event whether the last updates to the counter was successful or there was a tearing. So it is very difficult to reproduce this manually, so I cannot demonstrate this, the tearing event. But as a developer, so what we have to know is there is a command called the tearing command or tearing event command with the value 3e followed by the counter, and this command will return a value if there is this value is always BD. So normally it's BD. So probably if you get any other value, so that indicates the previous counter update was not successful because of the user withdrawing the tag from the reader. So in all these three counter tabs, I've got a button called check. Whenever you click that, you get this value 3D. Now if you remember in the previous video, I was in a confusion about this unlimited, or sorry, the limited, the auth limited value. So I just found a nice explanation about the auth limited. If you go to the document and page number 17 and 8.6.2, so there is a nice explanation in this paragraph. So what it says here is, see, if the auth lim is not equal to 0, each negative authentication verification is internally counted. The count operation features anti-tearing support. So as soon as this internal counter reaches the number specified in the auth lim, any further negative password verification will lock the card. So this is what this means here is, so up to the value of auth lim, it is alright. So anything after that, any negative password after that, it's going to lock the tag. And afterwards, there is something important in the last line as well. So whether once it is locked, whether the provided password is correct or not, each subsequent password auth fails. This is exactly what we noticed. So just I thought this is this clarifies the problem we had in the previous videos. So before I finish, I would like to point you to a very nice document, and which you can download from internet as well. So look for the document called Mifare Ultralight Features and Hints. There's a nice explanation about how to protect, how to encrypt and decrypt the data. And also this document is it's a very, very interesting document, and this speaks about how nicely you can use the counters and how you can encrypt it, and how you can use this Ultralight EV1 for a ticketing applications. It's a very nice explanation. So just you have to just go through that. Probably if I might do a video in the future. So but it's a very easy to read document as well. So thanks for seeing this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make more videos with more interesting tags.